On the coldest places on Earth, there are penguins. And although they're small and flightless, they can survive in some of the harshest environments on our planet. But how? Well, I thought it was time we got to the bottom of this. So here are 6 ways that penguins survive the coldest places on Earth. Number 1, their diet. Penguins live in the southern hemisphere where their diet mainly consists of fish and krill. Both of these are cold water animals which thrive in the frigid waters near Antarctica. As penguins spend most of their lives in the water, they have adapted perfectly to be able to dive to great depths in search of food. Some species of penguin can only consume the nutrient-rich krill and fish that live in these freezing waters. Without these foods, they simply couldn't survive. 2, they have blubber. Like most animals that live in cold environments, penguins have a thick layer of blubber under their skin. This blubber acts as an insulator, helping them keep their body temperature up despite the freezing temperatures around them. It also helps them stay warm when they're out of the water, as well as when they're swimming in icy cold water. Penguins can't shiver like other birds and mammals, so blubber is essential for survival. 3, they huddle together. Penguins often huddle together in large groups, which helps them to stay warm. By huddling together, they are able to share their body heat, and this helps to keep them warm in the freezing temperatures. This behavior is often seen during the breeding season when the penguins are at their most vulnerable. The males will often huddle together with their chicks in the middle to keep them warm, while the females are out at sea looking for food. Sometimes the penguins will even take it in turns to go out to sea and look for food so that they can keep the huddle going and keep each other warm. 4, they have feathers. In addition to their blubber, penguins also have a thick layer of feathers which helps to keep them warm. These feathers are closely packed together, and this helps to prevent the cold water from seeping through to their body. Some penguins even have feathers that are specially adapted to reflect the sun's rays, and this helps to keep them cool in the hot summer months. 5, they have countercurrent heat. Penguins have a special adaptation called a countercurrent heat exchanger. This is a network of blood vessels that are close to each other but run in opposite directions. This allows the penguins to transfer heat from their warm blood to their cold feet without actually losing any heat. This is important because the penguins' feet are the parts of their body that are in contact with the cold ground or water. By keeping their feet warm, penguins are able to prevent themselves from getting too cold and help circulate warm blood around them. And 6, their size. The size of a penguin can also play a role in how it survives in the coldest places on Earth. Generally, the larger penguins are better adapted to colder climates than the smaller ones. This is because they have a greater volume of body mass relative to their surface area, which means that they lose heat more slowly. Additionally, larger penguins have more blubber than smaller penguins, which again helps them to stay warm. While smaller penguins may be more vulnerable to the cold, they do have advantages such as being more agile in the water and requiring less food. So there you have it. From their diet to their size, penguins have a number of adaptations that allow them to survive in some of the coldest places on Earth. Next time you see a penguin, remember that it is a true survivor. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to leave us a like and subscribe for more amazing animal videos. Thank you for watching.